Okay, here they are finally. The fake Foamposites that my friend did the carbon fiber fix on. But there, see the checkerboard? You can still see parts of this. This is the fake, okay? This is a side-to-side view of the fakes versus the real. Um, right side is real, left side is fake. As you can see, this is the real. This is the fake. See how it's more, well, you can kind of see, or right there, the checkerboard, but see how this is a lighter pink? This is a darker. So that means that this is the real one, this one. Okay, and see how it has the black penny logo right here? This one is all red, so it's fake. It's pinkish on the bottom instead of red. Another thing is, try to bend these. Can't really. Try to bend these. I'm gonna go. Look. Look at that. Just crumble it up into a ball. My friend did pretty good on the carbon fiber fix, but underneath his checkerboard, another thing about them is this is the biggest giveaway. Look where it's made in. Made in Vietnam. Ready? I'm about to show you the real ones. Where the hell's the tag? And the tag is even wrong. And it doesn't say where it's made actually. Mine. Let's see if my other real ones say. No, it doesn't say where it's made. I don't know where to find it. But if it says made in Vietnam, they're fake. And look at the tag. It's so different. It's so different from the real ones because it has the Nike logo, the Nike swoosh on the top and everything. I mean, the two fakes are right here. Double fake. I mean, oh yeah, and the colorway. Look at the difference in the colorway. Hold on. These are the reals. See how it's more of a silvery gray instead of, this is like a flat blackish gray. See how this is like a silvery, like silver black. It looks very different actually. Very, very, very different. Very different. Black and silver. Another thing about them is you can't see it on the camera, but there's more detail on the real one. On the bottom, it's more like in depth, and this one is like just looks like it's like they took a knife and just went like that just to make it look. This they actually like took the time and dug into the shoe and stuff. And then the last thing is I showed you the pencil. Poke it into here. If it goes in, it's real because it's like a jelly material. This is rock hard. This is not as hard. It still is hard, but not as hard. Like, these are pretty beat up though, but still they are fake. Oh yeah, last thing, the back. These are the real ones. Look at the penny logo. It looks so much better and more detailed. And let me fix this. I mean, these are the real ones. This is taller. The fake one is taller. So, and also the toe cap. The toe cap is, look at the toe cap. These are the fakes. I mean, no, these are the fakes. These are the fakes. The toe caps. The fake is a lot bigger. Oh yeah, another thing is, hold on. Let me get the right shoe to match with it. These are the same size. These are both 8.5s. These are the, no, these are the real ones. They are shorter. And these are the fakes, because you could tell because it's the black. So yeah, these are the fakes. Yeah, that's pretty much the difference between the two. I mean, I hope that helps you. Damn, this light from the window is killing me. I hate it so much. But, that's why I do most of my videos at night. But, light, you can't really see most of it because of the night. I might do another one at night. But, another thing is look at the two carbon fibers. This is real. Fake. It has the checkerboard pattern. That's the biggest giveaway, probably. But my friend covered it up. Like the bottom, you see, he covered it up a little to try to make them at least look real, because he had no other shoes. Now he has a lot because he bought a few. Because he ran out of money for the week, so he had to take a pair of fakes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Real versus fake.